So this is, what's this?
Abandoned silk mill.
A silk mill, yeah?
Yeah.
Check that out. That looks bait as fuck up there.
Yeah.
It's so rusted between those two silos. So it's Fatty Lake down here. So after a climb, pretty interesting one for a window. I'm trying to fit through the tightest gap. I've tried to fit my fat ass through. We're now in. Let's get dust off the top of my. I've got fucking crap all over my mic. Yeah, nice. So where we are then?
Our way into the main bits through that whole area.
See, this looks structurally okay though.
Look at the new roof.
Oh, it's new roof, is it?
New tiles, the whole new tiles.
Oh wow.
You can go further if you want.
Yeah, it's a little pan round one, mate. Check this out. This would be one of the silk machines, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That's the main one powered off the water there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big old wheel, yeah.
Should be able to show you the remains of the water wheel inside as well.
Oh, that's sweet. Let's have a little look at them.
Yeah.
Go this way first here.
Oh.
Going this way first?
Yeah, it's best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is Dan, local tour guide. Some pallets and stuff there.
Salt.
Salt?
Yeah. Salt we're drinking.
Huh?
Salt we're drinking.
Oh wow, yeah. Holy shit. This is fucking pretty cool.
Yeah, what you want.
So this is the all the main machinery that we've used then. Oh wow, it's proper water based, isn't it? Because it's all powered by the water.
Look, see that one there?
Yeah.
Still bits of silk on, see?
Is that what that is there?
Yeah, it's just silk.
Oh, crazy.
And obviously the other rollers that it used to fall in.
Yeah, yeah. When did this go out of action then?
Good question.
Quite a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm assuming it's
It's
not been in this century. What's it still like? That's a bat.
Huh?
That was a bat.
Yeah.
What's it still like here underfoot and stuff?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, it goes on. Can you imagine being in this place?
Mate, there's like 6 buildings like this.
Is there?
But I don't know if we'll be able to get into them all. Mine qualified, of course.
Yeah.
Because there's tunnels.
Oh wow, straight into the water.
Mm.
Yeah, this is so cool. Anyway, show us around. What else is there, mate? So life's starting to grow itself back in. There's one of the old trolleys we used to use to move the silk around as well. Yeah, it's crazy. Yes, it's still moving the machine in there. That. Yeah, it's still moving. That's crazy. These machines are still functional as well. Yeah, this is where they begin to rebuild and reform. There's another bat over there. Rebuild and reform the building, yeah. Yeah, check it out. There's a bike there as well, look. Check it all out. All of this machinery has just been left. There's the old switchboard and bathroom, yeah.
Circuit breakers.
Yeah. So cool.
There you go.
Yeah?
Very fast. Stop.
Oh yeah. That's sweet as. There's still silk, bits of silk remaining on some of the machines as well, which is quite cool. So this is what is left of the original water wheel. I guess it would have been on both sides, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
With big beams either side, so that's crazy. The water would have been deeper here as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy stuff. That's what powered the whole building, yeah. So this would have once been the sample room, and there's still like little samples here remaining dotted around the place of the materials they made. More machines again there. Just endless
That
machines.
must be some
everywhere.
vacuum kind of one by the looks of it.
Yeah, it is, yeah, it's got vacuum hoses on it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah?
I think that'll work. Sewing machine.
Oh yeah.
There you go, you would have the pedal. It's all C's, but yeah.
That's smart, that's mate, that. So this is the proper old bit, mate. It's like a guided tour that'll take you on. Oh yeah.
Yes. Oh, there's some mixing bowls.
Oh yeah. I'll put them in the kitchen.
Yeah, new.
Oh yeah. You can see they've been building it back up, yeah. Oh yeah, just a bit big.
Huh?
Just a bit big, aren't they? Oh yeah, look at that. There's so much around here. Mate, the amount of wood and metal in here is unbelievable. All hand built, all handmade back in the day, this stuff. That's so cool. Look at that old set of scales from back in the day. And this would have been the stores. You reckon? Yeah. Nice.
Some radiators.
They're actually radiators. Jesus. Old school as anything, aren't they?
It's cast iron.
Yeah.